to my channel, Budget for Success. Woo! Yes! Today is a fun day because we are going to cash stuff my Frosty the Snowman. We're going to cash stuff Frosty the Snowman. So let's get started. Shaboom! All right, look at here. Let's see how much money we have today. And I have my Frosty here with me. Yes, I do. Okay, so we have $420. We have 1, 2, 300, 400, 10, 20. But we're not cash stuffing all this money. So I don't know how much we're cash stuffing because we're going to finish some challenges because I want to have my money like saved for Christmas. So we're going to close this binder out for this year. But there's one savings challenge that we'll still keep working on until we finish it, y'all. It's the big kahuna. But all the other ones I want to try to finish. So let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Let's move you over. Can everybody still see? We got Frosty here. All right. So this one was saved with Judy and it is fully funded. Look, I have a fully funded slip. So we are done with our fun. Okay, same with this one is fully funded. This is fully funded. This is the next one that I think we're going to get to mark fully funded. This is a scratch off with Ellie on Earth. So let's scratch and see how much we owe. All right, so this is Ellie on Earth Savings Challenge. These were cute scratch offs and we had like 3 of them. So Ellie, you did us good. So we are saving, it was for $8, I think $8. We need to get to $50. Yeah, $8 would get us to 50. So we're going to put all this back and grab a 50 because this is a $50 savings challenge. Okay, but then we also saved $90. So we actually have $140 with all of the savings challenges that we had from Ellie. So we are done. Woo, ring the bell. You can ring my bell. Ring my bell, ring-a-ling-a-ling. Okay, I'm not going to sing for every challenge we finish because we're going to finish a lot. Okay, this is another one almost done. I worked on this even offline sometimes because I want to get all of my Christmas money settled so I know how much I have to work with. I also have to buy airline tickets because my godchildren, they are flying to California. So we needed to add $4 to this. So we would have $10. So let's put this back, the 5 and the 1 back, and just grab a 10. So now we have $30. This is Mischief Managed Budgets. There's like a set of 3. So we saved in total $50, $70, $80, $85. This money is in the bank. This money is going to the bank. So $85 for the savings challenge. Thank you, Mischief Managed Budgets. Woo! The next savings challenge is Cash Bear Mama. We still have a ways to go with this one. This was the big kahuna. We have already saved $105 with Cash Bear Mama savings challenge. And so now we need to finish this. Finisher. So we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, $80. We needed to add $80 because this saves $150. So I'm going to put the 20 back and just grab 100. So now we have 150 plus 105. So $255. Yes! Woo! Thank you, Cash Bear Mama. She has 3 of these. So when you buy it, you get 3 and you can set them for different amounts. It worked out perfectly for me. So there we go. The next fun challenge is from Living on a Tiny Budget. Yes, we are living on a tiny budget. Okay, so we need to save 4 and 5 is 9 plus 2 is $11. So this saves a total of $42. So let's see. Let's get the real money. We need 42. We need a total of 42. So we're going to put this 11 back and grab a 20 and a 2. So we have $42. So this total is 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 132, 134 on living on a tiny budget. Woo! I said I wasn't going to ring the bell, but I lied. I'm excited because I had like 3 of these and I finished all 3. I'm super excited. I think I finished all 3. I'm pretty sure I did. Yeah, I don't have any in the back. Okay, so now this is another one that was a 3-part savings challenge. This is from the Happy Mailbox. So we need to finish this. So we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, $25. So we have 55, right? So we need a total of $80. So 50 and 20 is 70. We'll put this 5 back and grab a 10. So now we have $80. Now we already had 160 because each of these was $80. So now we have 100, 200, 20, 30, 40. $240 from this cutie patootie from Happy Mailbox. Woo! Yes, I'm excited. I am so excited. This is the first year that I have finished saving for Christmas so early. So I set a plan that each month I would save $350. That was my goal. But I started last year, guys. That was the secret. I started in, I think, December or November of last year. So I started in November saving $350 a month. And this is where we are. And now these are all fully funded. And now this is the big kahuna. Let's come back to that. This is fully funded. This was $500. That was exciting. This was fully funded, almost $200, $196. All right, here we go. This is the next one. This is from my girl, Priscilla at Budget A&A. These were heavy hitters. They are still heavy hitters. That's 30. Ooh, 60. Priscilla said, don't play with me. Don't play. This little Christmas tree is not to be messed with. All right, so we need $60 to finish this. And so we don't have much change. So we just going to put this 50 and 60. That's it. So we had 250 to 6. Oh, wait. Let's do this the right way. Oh, wait, let's see here. Watch this. 5, 7, 9, 10. So this is $100. So we're going to put $100 there. There we go. Go ahead, Priscilla. Make us save this money. So this is a $300 savings challenge. And we did it, y'all. We saved $300 in a quite aggressive way. This is awesome. It was like 60, 30, $35, $40. Call Priscilla, tell her, Priscilla, get your Etsy shop going so we can start saving money. And then this cutie is from Official Budgets. I loved it. This is little Santa with his lights around his beard, but look at the glasses, y'all, shaped like hearts. So this is a high number, $18. So we need $135 because if we add 18, we should have 135, right? So we got 117, 118, 118 plus 18. Yeah. Oh, 136. I have an extra dollar. Okay. Well, Santa, you getting 135. I might have extra in here because I didn't have change, but we have change now. So I want that. So you have 120, 135. There we go. $135 is what we now have in Santa. Official Budgets on her Etsy shop. I love that savings challenge. And now we just are going to save in. This is my exciting one. This is the Budgeting Butterfly, y'all. She gave me 2 of these. This is the second one. So I'm only putting 150 in here. We're going to keep moving on this one. This one, we will still save. We will keep moving. So we would probably do 1, 2, 3 more. Oh, no, I know what it is. Okay, this is what it'll be. Hold on. Okay, so we're putting $150 in here. So this is, some of this money is in the bank. Woo, look at this. Okay, so we have $750. Yes. Woo! I didn't even finish. But I'll ring the bell because that's a lot of money. Okay, so we got $750, but we have 6 more. So 6 times 75 is $450. So I usually save $350 every month. So next month I will come back and finish this. Only this one. This is the only one we haven't finished. If I can't do it, because it's really $450, so if I can't do all of it, I'll bring back it another month, but I really want to finish it next month, so I will find the extra $100 so we can say goodbye. But we have saved $1,000. This was from the last savings challenge that said November. So it was $1,100, and we saved $1,109. So we saved more, $1,109. This one is 750, and so we will get there. 750 plus 450 is $1,200. So we will have $1,200 when we are done, and we need it because we got to buy airline tickets. So anyway, I'm excited. This will be finished next month. Trust me. Trust and believe. Okay, let's see how much money we have left because we needed it. We need this. We have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 62, 63, 64, $65 left over. But we finished a lot of savings challenges. I'm so excited. It's so exciting. Frosty, you did us well. Okay, so guys, my secret is to start saving. Get a cute binder. I saw a lot of cash stuffers have really cute binders. Get a cute binder and start saving in November for the following year, and you will have lots of money. Consistently every month save it. That's all. Just be consistent. That's all I have for today. I'm super excited. This money is going to the bank. It's going to go into the sinking fund for Thanksgiving and Christmas, and then straight to the bank. Ooh, yes, yes. We made money and saved money. All right, guys, I really appreciate you hanging out with me. I'm excited about Christmas. I hope you are too. If you're still saving for Christmas, I'm cheering you on. You got this. If you haven't started, get started now. You got this. And if you want to really get ahead, start in November saving for the following year. And just save little amounts. You would be surprised how much it adds up, especially when you leave it alone. If you like this video and you want more videos, please like, comment, and subscribe to Budget for Success. Bye for now. Love you guys.